Have you jumped on the MAREE bandwagon yet? Oh my gosh. I love their products so much. So this is the Firming Neck Cream. They sent this to me so that I could try it out and then give you my opinion about it. It's so good. Okay, so let me show you how it works. So it does have the lid here, and I am going to show you as I'm using it down below over here so that you can see it in action as I'm describing it to you. So the very first time you're going to use it, you're going to take this whole thing off and take the seal off. You only have to do that once. Then you are going to twist to open it, and then you're going to, hopefully you can see here, there's the cream coming out right there and right there. And then you're just going to rub it on your neck like this. I've already done it, and you can see it down below here. But you just rub it back and forth on your neck. So it's got this Firmagen Complex is what they call it. And it's got collagen, it's got retinol, it's got peptides, it's got hyaluronic acid. And so all of those things combined, plus this roller action to help smooth things out there, is just really unique to that. Let me pick it up. So many great ingredients in this. You can use it in the morning, you can use it in the evening, and I will caution you, if you use it in the morning, make sure that you put sunscreen over the top of it, but you can use it twice a day. I've been using it twice a day, and I love my results from it. So there you go, the MAREE Firming Neck Cream. I will link this down below so that you can go get one for yourself. And hey, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.